starting day 3 in Silver Lake, which apparently has no silver and no lake, according to the sign on the store. I think I'm going 46-ish miles today. The interesting forecast of showers and rain all day through the night into tomorrow. Hazardous smoke, depending. So I'm hoping for neither. If I have to choose one, I choose the rain, I think. Realistically, I don't know. I think I'm gonna get rain and smoke. We'll see. It's already sprinkling here. There's a tiny town about halfway through. No place to stay or anything like that, but it's there. I don't know. I feel pretty good. Slept decent last night. My legs are definitely tired and sore. I was hoping to get breakfast at that cafe, but it doesn't open till 9. I'm not sticking around. I think I have an opportunity to make some good time today. A bunch of this ride will be on pavement, but we will see. It's pretty flat out here. Not a lot going on. Cows in the distance. Nice to be cruising for a little bit. Put some miles on at a reasonable speed. Just stop for a second for somebody to put the word no on a post. Probably had another sign underneath it at some point, but thought it was funny. So the mountains here, beautiful. Cows in the distance. Flat, scrub brush, dead silent. It's a nice way to spend the Monday. Although luckily, no rain, not much smoke. You can see it off in the distance, but can't really complain. Can't really complain. Boy, it's so nice to cruise at 18 miles an hour for a little bit. Compared to the past 2 days, I was cruising at 6 or 8. Whew. Makes me feel like I'm actually going somewhere. The road just keeps going and going and going. It's so straight. That might be Fort Rock over there. It looks like I'm coming up on Fort Rock Road. Doesn't make sense. It looks kind of like a fort. That's a nice way to put some miles on. Fun. Just let them go. Does not look open. Signs. This is from the 1909 Enlarged Homestead Act. Feel the land rush. I don't know if you can see this. It says the school bus. That's pretty funny. It looks like a big, I don't know what that really is right there, but it looks like a water drill maybe. Or a windmill. It's pretty cool. Restaurant here doesn't open until 11 a.m., which is an hour from now. The market doesn't open for a while. Basically nothing's open. Guess I'm not gonna get any breakfast. Just keep on motoring on. I don't want to wait an hour. I'm making pretty good time right now and seem to be staying ahead of smoke and rain, even though there's been rainstorms here very recently. Unfortunately, that means no more towns until I think the end of the day tomorrow. And no more opportunities to pick up water, I don't think. Thankfully, it's been so cool. I've only had half a water bottle today. And right in the beginning of the ride tomorrow, I actually stashed 2 big jugs of water just in case. So I should be okay. Man, a good breakfast would have been nice though. Had to get out of the maintained section of the road. A lot more washboarding. It was super smooth all day. And now I'm just gonna climb for 1,200 feet at incredibly low gradients for the next 25 miles. But it really is beautiful out here with the rain. Everything's flowering yellow and fields are green. Kind of not what I expected. Oh, the overcast. It's really beautiful riding weather. Just keep on, keep it on. It's 32.5 miles in to day 3. This road is deceptively sandy on the right and left hand side, which you can't tell even from just looking at it. You can't tell, but as soon as you get to the right and left, it's possible to pedal in. The only part that's hard is a section in the middle that's filled with washboards, which is making this fun. I still have like, I don't know, 400 or 500 feet of climbing left. Slow climbing. I have to admit, I'm pretty tired. This is in theory a shorter day. They've changed the forecast to 100% chance of rain starting this afternoon. I'd really like to make it to the campsite before it starts to rain, but I'm not sure I have enough juice in me to power up this climb on washboards or alternatively in deep sand. So I'm just going to keep putting along. And if I have to set up camp in the rain, well, I have to set up camp in the rain. Well, this washboard road is still going. Maybe 5 or 6-ish miles from campsite. Clouds are rolling in. Wind is starting. I think I'm not going to make it to campsite before rain. And I'm going to get wet. It's definitely starting to smell like rain. Starting to feel like rain. Ran into a camper a while back. Said there were some people in the spot I was hoping to camp in. I'm going to go there anyway. If not, I don't have any other backup plans. Big fat drops just started falling from the sky. I got a little ways left to go. Put my rain jacket on so I don't get wet. My clothes don't get wet. Otherwise, I'll just take a shower. I am worried about the conditions of this clay-ish road when it gets wet. I might be in for trouble here pretty quickly. It's pouring. I put my rain jacket on, giant drop, but still, I soaked through immediately. It took me about 2 seconds. The raindrops have to be the size of my fingernail. The raindrops are also setting off my GPS. The mud is already starting to cake on my tires. I don't know how far away I am. Not far. Honestly, setting up the tent here. Right inside my tunnel, just get soaked. Pretty much no cover up here. We can get a shower.
So yeah, heading into Prineville tomorrow. After day 3 is definitely my longest ride. I'm definitely feeling it. Most pedaling. Probably get a hotel room tomorrow. Try to dry off a little bit. Reset myself. Get a good meal. In the meantime, I think I'm just gonna sleep tonight listening to the rain. Expecting it to all rain all night and through the morning tomorrow, so I have to figure out if I get up early and ride in the rain, or I don't know, wait it out a little bit. It's been thundering here for the past hour or so. Got my stuff hanging up here in the tent, hoping it'll dry out a little bit. I got all my stuff down here ready to make breakfast in the morning. Got a little trench dug around the outside of the tent here. Could get ½ inch plus of rain. I just saw some lightning, so that'll be fun. Hope to have a good night. See you tomorrow. I don't know if that thunder came through, but it was a decent clap of thunder. It's starting to rain pretty hard.